If you walk 30 minutes every day, what will happen? When it comes to weight loss, exercise is something that never fails to get the spotlight. And rightfully so, since it's a fact that working out and staying active plays a significant role in achieving and maintaining a healthy weight for the long run. Unfortunately, most of us tend to think that only high-intensity, sweat-inducing workouts are effective for weight loss. So you may be surprised to know that walking even just for 30 minutes every day can make a huge difference in your weight. Walking is a low to moderate form of aerobic exercise, and even if it's not as hard as running or jogging, it can do miracles for your overall wellness. So let's go over the reasons why you shouldn't underestimate this seemingly futile activity. First, the benefits of walking on health and weight are already proven by studies. In one study in the Okayama Southern Institute of Health in Japan, overweight participants were instructed to increase their daily steps by 1,000 without changing their diets at all. This resulted in the reduction of their abdominal fat, waist circumference, and body fat percent. Their leg strength, insulin resistance, cholesterol levels, and blood pressure also improved. Isn't that amazing? At a moderate pace, 1,000 steps would only take around 10 minutes. So imagine what more you can achieve if you can walk for longer periods every day. Speaking of which, let's move on to our next point. This might be the simplest reason why walking is a great weight loss exercise. It's easy. Walking burns about 100 calories per mile, but walking at a faster pace for longer distances can make you burn more calories, especially if you do it consistently. Let's take a closer look. At a faster pace, you'll burn 150 to 200 calories in 30 minutes, and if you walk for an hour at the same fast pace, you'll burn 400 calories. So just imagine what will happen if you make walking a part of your daily routine. Results of a study published in the Journal of Exercise Nutrition and Biochemistry showed that after 12 weeks, obese women lost about an inch off their waistline and about 1.5% of their body fat just by walking for an hour 3 days per week. Before we proceed with this video, if you're finding this info helpful so far, give this video a like, subscribe to our channel to see more informative videos, and click on the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we have a new upload. Since it's so easy to do, walking can be a huge help when you're just slowly starting to get into exercising. It's just a simple way to burn calories that isn't exhausting, and as a result, your performance in the next workout won't get affected and you'll be able to stick with it easily. This can motivate you especially when you start seeing results. Furthermore, it's a perfect low-impact workout for older people or those with injuries who have limited capabilities when it comes to working out. Walking can also help more experienced people who need to add an active recovery in between intense routines. Finally, our last point. Walking can enhance the effects of a diet. Results of a Journal of Nutrition study published in 2017 show that after 12 weeks of diet, combined with walking 2.5 hours weekly, overweight individuals had a significant decrease in body weight and fat. They also had a decreased risk of heart disease as shown by their improved blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Moreover, studies have shown that people who only rely on dieting fail to maintain their weight and eventually regain what they've lost. Unfortunately, many people tend to take the easy route when it comes to losing weight. But what you should always choose is a long-term solution that you can be consistent with, like a simple exercise routine such as walking. It's fascinating how walking brings so many benefits to our health. That's just why the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services recommends 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking per week. Doing this would be a huge help not just for weight loss, but in weight maintenance too. Aerobic exercises can help boost your metabolism, meaning you'll burn more calories and prevent them from getting turned into fat. Now, if you're looking for ways that can help speed up your metabolism to help you get in shape, we recommend that you check out CarboFix. CarboFix is a carbohydrate management supplement that helps the body manage calories more effectively and prevent them from turning into fat. If you want to be in shape by keeping your metabolism active, CarboFix might be the perfect solution for you. It kickstarts the metabolism, and if you add this to your regular walking routine, you'll have an active metabolism that will effectively burn stubborn fat. To learn more about CarboFix, check out the link in the description below. That sums up today's video. We hope you learned something new from us. If you did, give this video a like and subscribe to our channel because we have more informative health videos just like this to share with you soon. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.